Top 5 Best Security Alarm Systems. Here is the item number 5. Tuya Wi-Fi GSM Home Burglar Security Alarm System. Feature: Remote APP Control. Work with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. 2.4-inch TFT color screen. Support wireless Siren and inside Siren. Can rename 10 accessories according to your needs. Remotely monitoring alarm: when accident invasion, the phone remotely grasps the situation. High decibel live alarm through the host timely dial. Send SMS notification, APP message push. Here is the item number 4. iOS Android APP Wired Wireless Home Security. Wi-Fi plus GSM plus PSTN Home Alarm System with LCD display. Press keypad, easy to operate. 99 wireless zones plus 4 wired zones. Real-time arm, disarm and timing arm, disarm function optional. 10 seconds voice record message. Blue LCD screen with time clock, alarm status and signal strength bar display. Here is the item number 3. Wi-Fi GSM GPRS Burglar Home Security. Support multiple extended alarms such as main power failure, backup battery shortage, etc. with wireless sensor battery low voltage, anti-disassembly alarm function armed, doors and windows open warning. Up to 5 groups preset alarm phone numbers, SNS on-off and voice on-off can be set respectively. Here is the item number 2. TUGARD Wi-Fi 3G 4G Security Alarm System. Support remote control from Android and iOS. Remotely monitoring alarm: when accident invasion, the phone remotely grasps the situation. High decibel live alarm through the host timely dial. Send SMS notification, APP message push. Feature: remote APP control. 2.4-inch TFT color screen. Support wireless Siren and inside Siren. Here is the item number 1. Touch screen wireless Wi-Fi GSM Home Security. Built-in 10 languages, can switch freely. 4.3-inch full touch interface operation. Reminders when doors and windows are not closed, and low voltage alarms. Wi-Fi plus GSM networking. Support the APP push, voice monitoring and other channel alarm methods. Support the APP remote arming and disarming and parameter setting. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.